Well, hey guys, just a quick video just to do a quick repair. Yeah, interestingly, when I did the studio move, for those who know, I've just had this place recarpeted, and obviously you have to get everything out, unplug everything, strip everything back, and then I had to put everything back. Now, there's going to be a few casualties with this, and unfortunately, I think I might have done some damage to the bender or the mod wheel on the MS-101. And yeah, it kind of stays. It doesn't spring back properly on the left and the right. The bend part is fine, but it's just the pitch part. Let me just have a quick look at the other camera angle. You probably see it better if I do it this way. So yeah, if you can see it doesn't spring back. I have to force it back, and then yeah, so it looks like maybe the spring is disconnected, or hopefully nothing's broken in it anyway. But yeah, we're going to take it apart, and obviously just a quick warning for those who want to do this. This may void your warranty, so you probably want to check with the manufacturer before you do anything like this. But for me, I'm pretty comfortable doing this sort of stuff. Anyway, let's take it apart. Okay, so now we're going to have to take it apart. We've got it turned over here, and obviously we'll have to attack it with a screwdriver. So I'm not going to make you watch this, but obviously we'll probably have to remove, at least at this stage, these screws on the back, but I'll let you know when we get to that stage. Okay, here we go. When you do these sort of jobs, I always recommend that you put your screws in some sort of dish. Okay, the keyboard just came out. All right, there we go. So yep, you did have to undo everything. And we need to still get into there. Right. So what can we disconnect? Can we disconnect this keyboard? Oh, there we go. All right, we need to get rid of that on the bottom and put the red thing back on top. There's the keyboard. For those playing along at home, there's a bit of dust on the bottom there. I'll clean that off. You can see that in camera, but I will clean that off. Let's move this out of the way, and the base. All right, so where we need to get to is in here. And I guess, I'm just guessing, but all we're gonna need to do is just undo these two screws. All right, so this is where we need to get to. This is the mod wheel. Okay. That from coming through. There we go. All right. So there it is. There's that. Just by taking it out of the case seems to have freed that mechanism up. It does have a separate part number there. Focus on that. But yeah, may have just got a little bit pushed or something during transit. I'm not really sure. I'm going to have a good inspection of this to find out, but just looking inside, you can see there's the spring. So maybe what I'll do is I'll put a little bit of I'll spray something in there, like a little bit of grease or something, just to give that a bit more of, work it a bit more. But it's definitely, I mean, we could take this apart, but I don't think we need to. Okay, so I've got a can of the old WD-40 here, and I'm just going to spray this, and I don't want to do it really over the electronics, so we'll do it kind of here, and it just needs just a tiny bit there on the other side, just a tiny bit, and then maybe just inside. Okay. All right, that should do us. Let's put it back together. And we need to put everything back in. Right, let's just double check to make sure. Yes, that's working beautifully now. Okay. Well, there you go, guys. That's pretty much it. I guess you probably want to see me play it and see if it still works. All right, we'll quickly do that.